What's up? What's up there, Facebook? It's your girl, Sean, coming to you live from my home office here in Boston, Mass. What is up? What is going on? And happy Monday. What's up? What's up, everybody? I did that first live about 2 days ago, and I figured, you know what? I had some stuff I want to talk about again today. I don't know if you guys saw my post earlier when I said I was going live. But we are going to talk about social media etiquette. Is there such a thing, or is it just something that's made up? So we're going to let Facebook do its thing. We're going to give some people some time to jump in. Like I said, I did post that I was coming on live tonight at 8 o'clock. So I hope a few people drop in. If you do, you drop in, just say, hey, let me know where you're live and in from. If you catch this later, just let me know that too. And also let me know where you're watching in from. I greatly appreciate it. All right. All right. So again, it is Monday, beginning of the week. What is everyone's goals for the week? Do you have them mapped out? You got them planned? What's up? Let me know. Talk to me. While I sip a little of my tea here. So, again, I don't like to be before you guys too long. I like to come in, say what I need to say, give people a chance to ask some questions or have some dialogue. So, we're just going to go ahead and get started. All right? So, according to I see someone just checked me out. Even if you're here for a few minutes, just simply say, hey, what's up? Let me know where you are live and in from. I can't see who that is live and in with me. But, yeah, let me hold on 1 second. Let me just check, see what's going on. See if I'm live over here. Yep, okay. All right, so I'm live and in here. I'm good to go. Okay, let's see. All right, so we're good. All right, so again, today's topic is social media etiquette. Is there such a thing? Now, normally I write down a couple of notes, as you guys know, but today I didn't. But we're just going to get right into it, all right? So, when we talk about social media, it really doesn't matter which platform you use. Facebook, IG, Twitter, just whatever. Hey, kid. Hey, Kim, what's going on? Thank you for living in with me. I appreciate it. It doesn't matter what social media platform you are on. There should be some type of etiquette that we have. So first, I'm going to share with you the things that I see. And if you guys want to chime in the comments, let me know if you guys notice the same thing or not. And again, let's talk about it. Even after this live's over, jump into the comments and let's have a discussion. All right, let's talk about it. So one of the things that I see a lot of is that if you post in groups, and I know there's a whole variation about, marketers posting in groups, if it's a good thing, is it really helpful? But if that's something that you do, one of the things that I see a lot is other people coming in on your post and dropping their opportunity or something to deflect the person who's asked for the information that you're trying to give. Okay? So people are coming on your post. You put up a post in a group, promoting whatever it is you're promoting or talking about whatever it is you're talking about. You're free, Teresa. I'm so happy for you. And then what'll happen is other people will just start jumping in and they'll be posting their opportunities. And I think that it's really rude. It's really a bad way to promote anything that you're doing. Even if you're giving away a free gift, it's really a bad way to go on to someone else's post and put your opportunity there. It's a no-no. You really shouldn't do that. All right. The other thing that I see, and this happens just about as much as it does in the groups, but DMs. People are in your direct message box, your inboxes on Facebook or social media, whatever the case is. And here's what they do. They jump in your inbox. They don't say hi. They don't say what's up. They don't say how you doing. They don't say anything. They just jump in and say, hey, you wanna buy this. You wanna join me. You should do this. You should do that. And there's If you look at the message, sometimes the thread, there's probably no relationship building that has happened. So normally, and may sound like it's going off subject a little bit, but normally when someone sends me a request or I send a friend request to somebody, I will usually jump into their inbox and say, hey, I saw you in such and such a group, or I followed you, or I liked your page, whatever the case may be. And I introduce myself. And before I jump into somebody's inbox, over a period of time, what I'm trying to do is just build a relationship. Doesn't always mean I'm trying to pitch a business, but because I see someone else who may be an entrepreneur, I might just be trying to reach out just to gain, some more knowledge about maybe something that they're doing, or vice versa. So you want to build relationships. What you don't want to do is jump in somebody's inbox and be like, hey, you want to buy my product? Hey, here's a picture. Hey, listen to this video. You don't want to do those things. So it's because, again, it's rude. It's rude, and it's not the way that you really want to build up your social media following. You really want to be able to build relationships. That's what it's all about, building relationships. And after a period of time, you may then, share your opportunity with someone. But again, only if that person is asking, hey, John, hey, Shawnee, thank you guys for logging in with me. Much appreciated. So the other thing that I want to say that happens a lot of times is that, and I just mentioned it, we get the links thrown at us. Again, no hi, no nothing, no how was your day, how was your week, just nothing. We just throw our links out. And actually, especially on Facebook, that's a bad thing. And it kind of brings me to this point as well. When you are sharing an opportunity, or you're trying to pique someone's interest about something that you're doing, because that's what we really should be doing, is piquing someone's interest. Okay, the one thing that you want to remember is that you don't want to throw your links out all over Facebook. Why? Facebook hates it. They absolutely hate it. Because what Facebook wants us to do is they want us to pay for their ads. They want us to buy ad space on Facebook. So they hate when you start throwing out your link. That's one. Number two, when enough people start throwing out that same link, let's just say you got 20 people who are in the same company, and they're all just throwing their replicated website link out there. Then what happens is Facebook starts to notice it and picks up on it. And now they go to block those links, whatever it may be. So whatever XYZ company you're with, it could be SeanPerryman.xyz company, and then it could be, Teresa Clark .xyz company. And so we got the same XYZ company. They start to see that and they block it. So that's why a lot of times when you're putting up a post, a curiosity post or something, and we will say, DM me for more information, or comment, or say this or say that, because we understand we're not giving information on the actual post, but we understand that Facebook doesn't like it. And even sometimes when you go and you inbox somebody, you want to be careful about putting xyzcompany.com, the decimal point, or the period.com, because sometimes they will even flag it that way. So you kind of have to do a workaround. You want to know what that workaround is? Inbox me and I'll share it with you. All right. But you really want to try to have that workaround, because, Facebook picks up on those, as well as some other social media sites. So you just want to be careful. So, having great social media etiquette is important, guys. It really is. You want to be able to, again, build relationships with people, talk to people, and just don't always post or talk about your business. Share your life. It's, like I said in my last video, people do business with business with people that they know, like, and trust. It's not always about the business that you're in, but if you can be an honest, upfront person, that's what people are buying into. They're buying into you. So be your uniquely authentic self. All right. So again, just let's go over those tips again. Don't spam your link. Don't spam your link or somebody else's post. Don't do it. Don't inbox somebody and just say, hey, do you want to buy this? Or you're sending a picture of what it is you're promoting. Wrong way to market. And if you don't know the best way to do that, then again, hit me in my inbox and I will share with you a system that I use that helps me to be able to talk to my people off of any social media site that I'm on 24/7, 365 or 366 dealing with a leap year. Okay? It's possible, but you just have to know how to do that. So, there is social media etiquette. We should be using it. Facebook and any other social media platform is just that, to be social. So you want to get on there, have fun with your friends and your family. You're sharing funny stories. You're doing this, you're doing that. That's great. There's nothing wrong with that because that's what it's there for. Facebook really, hates us as entrepreneurs because they figure that, we should pay for that service. But we can find a way to work around it. But you just have to know what you're doing. And again, you don't want to, posting, your link or inboxing people, it can really cause a lot. And other thing I've been noticing with social media is that they are very good about shutting down a page or cutting off a post. What's up, Stanley? Thank you for living in with me, sir. They're very good about that. I think you guys all know it. We play music. We got to say, we do not own the rights to this music, or you got to put it on your post, because the Facebook trolls are out and they're paying attention and they're looking. And when you start to do things repeatedly and you're not taking heed to their warnings, then that a lot of times can cause you to go to Facebook jail. You do that enough and then they may even just take your page and just get rid of it. And then you can't get it back no matter how much you try to appeal. So you just, again, want to remember social media etiquette. It is a real thing. It is important. There's a way to go about it. And if you do it the right way, then you should be able to grow your list. You should be able to grow your business and grow your relationships. And more than that, grow your relationships is what you should be able to do. So I hope you guys got some great information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if it's something that you need me to clarify, make sure you drop it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to go over it again, and we can go into more detail if that's the case. So again, I just want to thank you guys for jumping in here and living in with me. As you can see, it's about 8:15 almost. I don't like to make these super long. I know everybody is super busy, but I just wanted to come and just share that has been on my heart for quite some time. I've been talking to a few people and just noticing the pattern that's been happening, with just the inbox messages and just not saying hi, not saying anything, just throwing out the link. So again, guys, have any questions, reach out. Until the next video, guys, as always, peace.